This sucks. How am I gonna rock with glasses? Hey! Exactly! Ricky hates glasses!
Where are your glasses?
They make me look fat. I can't see a goddamn thing!
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Yes!
Grab an extinctioner! Are you crazy? Do you know how expensive this stuff is?
This is the last time I almost get burnt before getting paid first. So I'm going to get paid first.
Hey, the ugly girl with the crutches? Been watching you the whole show.
Hey,
She look like every other skank I be seeing on TV, man. Telling their hubby how they be secret prostitutes. Or how they actually a man. Or how they be cheating on their sister with their brother.
Beauty is only deep skin. It's what's beside her that counts.
I need class over quick ass, yo.
Just because she's very ugly doesn't mean she's talk show bait. Don't stereotype people. Jeez. That guy is gay.
So, when do we get paid?
Nope.
It's time to pay up, Jib. We've been housebound here for a month. Yeah, get out that cash box, bitch.
So that's where he went.
What?
Nope.
Yeah? Well, kiss Sons of Butcher goodbye, you piece of skid.
Po Buddy's nerfect? Oh.
Dog mess!
Doug. Tight. Doug. Now that's a mess. I'll give her a go. It's like taking a baby from its mother.
Easy!
So what do you do?
well, Jerry, I'm here today to tell my hubby that I'm a secret prostitute and I cheated on my sister with my brother.
How could you? I love you, Mandy.
Oh,
Happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy 93rd anniversary.
Oh, I wish I could find old-time love.
Will you marry me, Mandy? Ow! I'm gonna get you, you whore! Hey!
Never again will we play for free. Not on this tour, bitch. Sons of Butcher, a tour of two boobs. Boob tour.
I took your advice, yo. Had lunch with that walking crutch. You was wrong. She was white as trash, yo. Just what I thought. Wrong you was.
So? Trash is good sometimes. Trash makes me feel good. I'd go as far to say I love trash. Trash, trash, trash. Ah! Health Inspector Van Halen.
You're lucky I'm not here to inspect. I'm here about your little Hawaiian Week promotion.
I'll put it out.
You'll be taking my fire safety seminar today at noon, or I will shut this place down. Ta-ta.
You're gonna take that course today. I got things to do.
But I got to clean, yo.
I got it covered, Doug. Cleaning's the easiest job next to prostitution.
You the one be char-groiling in the shop, Mr. Hawaii Week.
Yeah. Let me know how the course was.
Ass!
This janitor business will be a breath of fresh air.
Extinguish all food fires with baking soda, not whiskey. Doug, are you sleeping in my class?
Yeah, if y'all keep it down.
I see.
Oopsie!
Oh, I'm sorry. Purely accidentals. Miss Neilsen.
Hello, Doug. Fancy seeing you here.
Let me carry your bags to your car.
Why, thank you, Doug. Oh, you're a peach.
Peaches be a divine African aphrodisiac. Word up, Neilsen.
Need something to wipe up all this blood. Bongo. Oh, not working. Why not working?
Thank you, Doug. Get in and I'll give you a ride home.
Stay cool, Doug. She be dangling a carrot. I play the game. She be carroting my dangle. So, do you like carrots?
This pickle ain't doing dickle.
Whoa, who'd you kill now, Saul?
You know, you really should be wearing your glasses.
My sight balls are fine.
Well, then cast your balls on this meat tray.
I don't have time to look at your meat, man. I'm trying to get this band some paying gigs.
You get paid to handle my meat. So get delivering.
But I gotta...
And sing the slogan in the key of G, like this.
But I'm supposed to plan a tour! Are you listening? Saul! Meat tray! Piss you! Ass nuts! Get out! Just get out!
This place be fly times two. Rest is just times two.
Thank you. It used to be nicer, but my son went and got himself in one of those comas.
Comas be the silent killer.
There's so much to be done around here.
Well, tell me you want done. I done do it.
I wouldn't feel right asking.
Does a bee act a flower if it can pollinate? When they both know, they be making that sweet honey later.
Air Canada Center, thanks for holding.
Yo, I'm calling to let you book the band Sons of Butcher. We're doing a tour of 2 boobs, and you're one of the knives. Cause our tour looks like a boobs, and Toronto is like the left nipple. Hello? Ass!
Cops Coliseum.
My band is doing a tour that looks like boobs. Ah! Meat tray! Piss you!
Clean the eaves trough when you're done, and if you're lucky, you can wash Reverend Puss Puss.
Bring that puss.
And for dinner, my famous clam pie and watermelons.
A ton of class who wants big ol' ass. She be the vision of perfect.
You're getting a bath today, Puss Puss.
Main Street? Main Street? Finally.
The counterstats simply do not match the undermining literary components in this deal.
Oh, Jarble, I can't concentrate, guys. The entertainment for tonight's staff party canceled on us.
Buster and the Albanians canceled?
Sons of Butcher, quality meats.
Is this your doing, Frank?
Sing another!
Okay. This one I wrote myself. The gentle lord of butchery is not just chopping and selling meat.
So you must be in a band, huh?
I'm not in a band. I am a band. My blood was instilled with the rock, and my marrow boils with the roll. I am a wild party. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Gazebo's done, Miss Niels.
Gord, you track mud through the house. Reverend Puss Puss hates mud.
Gord?
And if you leave your shoes at the front door again, I'm confiscating your key.
But I'm wearing my shoes.
And shave your eyebrow and cut that hair.
Bitch, are you for real? Oh, role playing. I see how this works. Freaky, but I like that.
This fork ain't doing dork!
I'm in love, yo.
Hey, I'm glad you like the course. Jesus crispers. Did you burn your face?
Nah, man. I'm in love with Miss Neilsen. You know, that sexy old lady that shop here all the time.
Yeah? She's old enough to be your dead mother.
And tonight I'm going back to get some badunkin' at Dunkin'. Rah! You know what I'm saying?
I got us a sweet gig tonight. $1,000 of money to play for a bunch of office stiffs at their office party.
But I don't know, Rick. The shop still needs to be cleaned up.
You need to be cleaned up. You look like you've been bobbing for tampons. Seriously, wash it off. We're playing that gig. And that's with soap and water, not forks and pickles.
Well, I gotta get back to my baby.
What about cleaning? Cleaning isn't easy. It's actually quite difficult. Wish I never made those comments earlier.
Is this what you wanted?
Yes, Gord, you're starting to look like yourself again.
Well, let's not waste any time. Let me at your clam pie.
I've been doing a lot of thinking, and I burnt my clam pie.
Oh, you want some creams or something?
I made a decision. It's not fair that I keep my son on life support. It's a selfish thing to do. And besides, I don't need him anymore, now that I have you, Gord.
What's important here is the burnt clam pie. Am I right?
I'm unplugging my son. The coma wins.
You talking in chutes and ladders. Listen, while you heal from your burn, I got to go play a gig tonight with my rock band, the Sons of Butcher. You dig?
I forbid any such thing. Rock music is the devil's playground.
Huh?
You'll be in bed by 9, mister.
Can I watch scrambly porn?
Go to your room.
Who the hell is that bitch? Huh? What's becoming of Rockin' Doug Borski? I look like this chump. Ah, that's it. I'm out of here. I got to reclaim my rock glory. Goodbye, my sweet clam. Damn! I'm back, yo.
What is with your clothes, dude? Your hair? Your eyebrow? Oh, you've reached new levels of gayness, dude. Why?
In a word, one love.
Huh. Okay, Rob Marley.
And you! I told you to... Get ready, man. We're leaving to rock.
But there's still cleaning to be cleaned.
Yo, Saul, I clean this place double tomorrow.
You know, Doug, I realized something today. Your job is hard. You're a good janitor. I don't even care if you are gay. What I'm trying to say is, I'll take your half-assed work ethic over me doing it any day.
Are you coming on to me?
This is it.
Are you sure?
Yep. Are you the, drummer I ordered?
The name's Wayne Cole.
Shut it!
Speak when spoken to, bitch. You're a drummer, not a musician.
Yo, these peeps be on their last legs.
Yeah, Ricky, there's some friggin' oldies here.
Trust me, dudes. These are the guys I talked with. Watch. See?
Oh, Ricky, I'm exhausted. I think we should all go home and sleep.
Hello!
Turn it on! It's not turned on!
That was effed.
We be here to bring the Haitian pain to those guilty of not rocking.
I'm dying.
Everyone dies, madam. But does anyone really live? This song's called I Hate Girlfriends! Hookers! You can be my girlfriend if I can get freebies. Girls! You can have my kid as long as I don't see it. Hey, as long as you know I hate girlfriends. You can't be my girlfriends, but you can be the ride of my life or the sun in my moon. Just not my girlfriends. You can't be my girlfriends. I hate girlfriends. You can't be my girlfriends. I hate you! All of you! Hey, as long as you know I hate girlfriends. You can't be my girlfriends, but you can be the ride of my life or the sun in my moon. Just not my girlfriends. You can't be my girlfriends. I hate girlfriends. You can't be my girlfriends. Woo! The Lord will be seeing y'all real soon, so make sure you tell him Sons of Butcher sent ya! Rest in peace! Saul? Saul! Get up! What are you doing, sleeping? Come on, they love you, man! Get up!
Goodbye, old Gord. I have a new Gord.
You came to apologize.
Gord, what are you doing here?
I told you, I'm playing a gig tonight.
How could you? I forbade it.
Listen, Niels, when the show is done, then I'll come by and we can break out them watermelons.
You disgust me. My son would never disobey me like this. I'm sorry I ever thought to unplug you.
That's your son? How freaking old you be anyway?
You're no Gord. You imposter.
I thought she'd never leave.
How would you and your wonderful band of misfits like to be the house band here at Foot in the Graves?
Does it pay?
No!
Rock and roll forever!
You been faking a coma? Blow!
I didn't have the heart to tell my mother that I can't stand her.
What? Your mama everything I ever wanted in a woman. I've been fixing to tap that ancient ace.
Okay, that's really gross. Listen, you want to be with mother? Kiss everything fun goodbye. Music, television, golden showers.
Oh, I could never give up my rock or my mop for any woman, even if she is 90.
Time for your sponge bath, Mr. Neilsen.
Uh-oh.
Hey, you're that guy from that band from downstairs.
Doug Limborski, bass enthusiast.
I think you'd look good with long hair and one eyebrow. You want to go into the janitor's closet and I'll ring your mop?
Show! You got protection?
Yep.
Can I watch?
Hell yeah!
Where's Doug? Pork chop. try to cut it all while salt is busting my balls. So we can lick my butt.
What do we do? Doug took the course, ass killed! Doug! Do something!
Don't worry, Doug. They're all old.
Yeah.
Where the hell are those guys? We have a banner and everything. Is this your doing, Frank?
It's Sons of Butcher!
Hey kids, Doug Limborski here. I just want y'all to know that fire actually do burn. Don't fear it, embrace it. Fire can be very fun to play around with. Now, in case y'all start your friend's shoelaces on fire, which I recommend, make sure you have lots of whiskey nearby to put that shit out. So be safe, be smart, and always have whiskey on you. Because if it ain't saving your life, it be numbing the pain from your burn.
I hate girlfriends!